Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Aussie attempted to rally yesterday and failed as the resistance held at 75.80. The market turned away and looked towards a low of 75.0520 and records a fresh low of 75.11. In light of the current weakness returning, I do expect to see further pressure to the downside, and a break of 75.05 would initiate further weakness towards a target of 74.70 and lower down towards 74 cents as a new objective. So do keep an eye on that level of 75.05. Any fresh advances on the day should find resistance around 75.80 contain any further advance. However, firmer resistance is seen at 76.30.35. Further weakness is seen for the euro as it attempted to recover yesterday, rejects that resistance at 108.20 and now looks back towards that 107.10. Now a break beneath that level should give further emphasis towards the downside and look towards a target of 106.60.65, with the objective still holding since the break of last week of 107.40 to 104.70.90 and reassess from there. In light of the dollar index remaining above 100 and looking to break above that 150 important key level, could see euro easily claim that target of 104.70.90. Dollar yen, over the last 7 trading days, the market has remained firm and now takes out the resistance of 108.65.70 to record a 6-month high. As the rally continues, we should not discount now a target of 109.40.45 up towards 110.10.15, as the market, although it's driven on a US dollar strength, I still feel that the market is short, and it is that reason that the traders are covering their short positions as the market squeezes higher. So in light of that, I still feel that this rally of the last 7 days, it still has enough momentum for another 100 points, but then I reassess from the 110.10.15 region. Any pullback on the day should find support around 108.60.70 and then firmer at 107.50.70. Sterling, since the exhaustion rally on Friday to a high of 126.72, now records a fresh low overnight of 123.70. In light of the current pattern, I'm still looking for a further down test, and now a break of 123.50 would expose further weakness and look towards a 120.60.80 objective. Reassess from there, as we could even be looking lower towards the Brexit lows around 118. However, on the day, resistance comes in at 125.20 to 80, and as I say, look towards that break of 123.50 to expose further weakness. Gold is still holding to a negative view at the moment, and I'm still looking towards that target of 1,200, a key point, because if it breaks, we're looking down towards 1,150 to 1,050. So do look out for that level today in case we do get a breach. Resistance on the top side now comes in at 12.30.32, with firmer resistance at 12.36 to 42. And to wrap up with oil, a very bullish comeback overnight, takes out that level of $46 a barrel and now looks up towards $48 a barrel as a potential claim to the bull run. In light of the technical pattern, and also to note, there is some divergence there. As you can see, the market made new lows, and as the indicator on the stochastic also rises to not confirm the downward move, the bullish divergence has snapped up and now looks further to continue to $48 and reassess from there. Support on the day comes in around $45.10 to $45.60. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day ahead.